All right, I'm in the shop, and I got Ty with me. If you watch the podcast, you'll know who Ty is. Top Tier Fabrication. We moved some videos. We moved some cars around. We went and took a ride in the Goose. Probably should have filmed it.
Yeah, probably should have filmed it.
We probably took a GoPro with us, but we didn't. Anyway, we're gonna work on the COVID Coupe a little bit. Man, we've been talking just business and YouTube and stuff all morning, but we're gonna try to make some content. He's got a, you might have seen it on Instagram. He's got a little tool he brought me that's pretty awesome. All right, so this is what Ty brought here from Worth. And it's a roll lock, but what, thicker? What's the story on?
So these roll locks are, I had no idea these things even existed until my Worth distributor came in one day and he saw me using the standard little tiny discs. They're like maybe 2 millimeter thick. And he goes, Ty, you need to try one of these for paint removal, rust removal, adhesive,
Whatever.
anything, gum, whatever, it doesn't matter.
Take it off.
Yeah, take it off, it does it.
Let's try it out and see what we got. All right, so check this out. So we've got, there was a bunch of body filler up here that he's already took off, and it really impressed me. You can see it up here, but I want you guys to see this for yourself. So we got a bunch of rust. We've already did a little test spot, and you can see what it's doing. And to kind of lay this out, I hit this with a wire brush, my big wire brush. Yeah, that one.
This guy.
So I hit it with that guy, and this is what I got. All right, he took that little thing and hit this bad boy, and it cleaned it up super fast. Not only is it super fast, it works, not dust free, but man, go ahead and do it. Let's just see. Go ahead and hit that spot that I did that didn't work.
Okay. You can see like the finish difference where I went over where the wire wheel made it like porous appearing, and this disc made it like more fresh metal.
I like it. I dig it. So it looks like it has a really good wear to it too. So we've already done, everything we've done is with this one disc, including getting that crack for the filler that was in there, the body filler. Or yeah, seam sealer.
Yeah.
And actually, that's what I'm super impressed about was the seam sealer side, because you can see it made a dust to it, but usually that stuff's smoking, burning, and it didn't. It just cleaned it up. So there you go, from Top Tier Fabrication himself, Worth. I'll drop you a link in the description. You guys can check it out. Seems pretty cool. I'll have to buy me some. And what, these come in like a 4.5 too, right? You can get them in the big.
Yeah, you can get them in the big boys too.
So I dig it. Might change the game. Anyway, we're gonna get to work on this thing. I'm sure you'll see some more of these. We'll put this guy to work, and we're gonna try to get this coupe buttoned up.
What direction is the front going?
I'll just put the back over here.
Okay.
Spin the front towards the vision. Yeah, that's good right about there.
Okay.
Pick up on the front of that thing. Easy, yeah. See how light that sucker is? I wonder if me and you could pick up the whole. I don't even know if I got enough grip. Yeah. Hold on, ready? 1, 2. No, I can't do it.
Let me try.
He's gonna flip and see.
Let's try. Let's try. Let me throw some gloves on. Let me give that a shot. Okay.
Oh yeah. So you got the back.
Yep.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Creep.
When you add the whole length of the car, I guess it makes it heavier.
Yeah, you lose the pivot.
That's right. All right, so here's the deal. We got some gaps back here that we need to fill from the mini tub, and there's some sound deadening, like the thick stuff. You know, this kind of stuff here or there, and I really want to know how those discs that Ty brought work on that. So we're gonna kind of clean that up, and the goal is we're gonna weld these shut, these big gaps. We both kind of have our own ideas of how it needs to be done. So, and they're pretty similar. They're not much different. So we're gonna try one, see how it works. If it doesn't work, we're gonna try the other one. We're making some serious progress out here on this thing. It's so nice to have some help in the shop. One of the things we did was fill some holes. You kind of seen Ty doing that. And this is what he used. This is a magnetic based copper pad. I think I've talked about this thing before in videos, but there's several ways to do this. You can use something like this, which works nice. You can, one man show, kind of stick it on there. You can weld through, and this piece will just pop off once you're done. Kind of, right?
Yeah, you had to smack it a little bit.
Yeah, you got to.
But it does come off easy.
A little prime with a screwdriver or something, and it pops right off. The other thing you can do is you can use a paddle like this. So this is designed to do the same thing. This thing's been used and abused.
And that thing worked phenomenal for big holes.
Yeah, the thicker the copper, I think the better it works. It's a better heat sink. And then I've also got one that I made. I don't even know where that thing's at.
I think it's in the car.
Here it is. So, I mean, if you want to buy one, you can just little copper pipe from the hardware store and flatten it, which is basically what I did, and it does the same job. Made things quick. Ty was like, "Man, does this really work?" I'm like, "Yeah." And we were filling big holes. I'm sure we put them on film, but
yeah, no, there's no way that I'm going through my fabrication career without these.
Get you some. Huh?
I got to get some of these.
At least make some.
Yeah.
So that's cool. We got it all done though. Everything's sealed up in this car. We got, all the welding done back in here, filled all the holes, started cleaning it up, kind of reinforced the shock mounts. Now we're over here working on the floor. We've already cut a section out, and we're gonna have to try to figure out how to put that back. One of the things that we're debating is there's gonna be a bar in here, and so there's gonna have to be a pad in there anyway. And so, do we fix it, or do we just kind of fix it and then put the pad over it and be done? So that's what we're talking about now. All right, Ty's got to go. Y'all go check him out. Top Tier Fabrication on Instagram. I'm sure you'll see more of him. He'll be back. Says he's going to help me finish this thing. So, Ty, much appreciated.
Thank you for letting me come. I appreciate it.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Oh, for sure.
All right, so there's the patch job. I did it in 2 pieces. So did a little piece here, did that piece there. Still need to clean it up a little bit, but pretty happy with it. And really that's the only place in here that had a lot of rust in it. So, I mean, other than that rear quarter panel. So I'll go in here and clean all this up. We'll make it all look new. Get it all primered, probably sprayed or something. As you can see, back's looking nice. Almost looks original, huh? Wouldn't know you could fit some big old meats under that bad boy. So really just taking care of a lot of housekeeping right now. It won't be long, we'll start putting this bad boy back together. Got a couple little tricks up my sleeve I want to do. Obviously I'll make videos on it. But anyway, there you go, the COVID Coupe. That's this episode. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys soon. Y'all go do work, son.